So let's jump into the chart. And the first thing you notice, I'm on the 4-hour time frame, but just to showcase, taking a look at the larger trend that is occurring. So we saw this really nice break up and then a pull back and then a push higher. And the minute we crossed over this box area here, which you can see is our prior highs, as soon as we crossed over that, this low now all of a sudden became the new higher low. And then we saw this push up here. We saw another pullback here and then a push up here as well, which these candles closed above these here. So we are in the process of making even higher highs. Now we haven't broke above these wicks yet, but we did break above the body. So that's enough for me to really create a demand zone down here to understand that, cool, we actually probably have some really strong demand and buyers stepping in here. And it's actually what we saw on the 4-hour. And then if you move to the 1 hour, we saw the same thing before Friday's move. So we saw the pullback, big rejection off this high level, pullback in here, really strong lower wicks here, showing us that we were bouncing off of this prior area. And ultimately this right here, if you think about this from an order block perspective, I'm not going to cover order blocks in this video, but this right here was a really nice order block before we saw this really sharp move up. And so we saw us tap into it, big rejection up.